Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to close or delete jar on Wise. So simply just open your Wise account. So this is the main dashboard of Wise account. After that, on the left tabs you can see there are multiple tabs available here. So now here you can check in the jars option that I already created a jar. So simply now I want to delete this jar. So just you have to open this jar, and after that when you open, so here you can see all the details. Currently I don't have any details, so just before deleting your details you have to make sure that you have downloaded your statements and all the details here. After that, now if you want to close your jar or if you want to delete your jar, so simply just click on close jar. And now after that, here you can see, are you sure want to remove this jar? So just click on close jar and now wait for a few seconds. So here you can see our jar is finally removed. Now if you refresh your website, so here you can see currently I don't have any jar. So in this way you can delete or close jar on Wise.